on a guy. This morning I shot a video where I review the ISOtunes Pro Bluetooth headphone set. This is not a paid for review and I did not pay for these headphones. I received them as a gift earlier this year. I decided to record all the audio using the unit, and as you will see in the video, unfortunately it's not of the best quality. This is also not my first set of earphones, this is my third, technically speaking. After about 3 months the first set started having trouble. At first there was some static noise and eventually the right hand earbud gave out completely. I fired off email to the company and without hesitation they agreed to send me a replacement unit. That unit never arrived, it got lost in the post, and a couple of weeks later they sent me a third set, which I received this week. I hope you will enjoy the video and that you will consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, enjoy.
Hello and welcome back to the workshop. I'm sorry it's been a while. We've been making a little bit of sawdust around here, making it difficult to film. Today I'll be reviewing the ISOtunes Pro Bluetooth headphone set. At $100 a pop, these are some of the most expensive Bluetooth headphones out there, but people are buying them. This review is intended for non-dollar earners, for people willing to part with $100 in their local currency. Let's have a look, shall we? Alright, let's see what you get in the box. First things first, your headphones. Carry case, charging cable, and different sizes of earbuds. That, my friends, is $100. Next, let's look at some of the claims the company makes. 27 decibel noise reduction. These are not noise cancellation headphones, but noise reduction headphones, which was the biggest reason for me wanting a pair. I work with loud machines all day and I want to protect my hearing. They definitely block out machine noise. 10-hour battery life. The battery is amazing. It lasts the entire day. They're very comfortable to wear for long periods of time. True that. High quality microphone offers external sound suppression and echo cancellation. This is a bit of an overstatement, as you can hear from the recording in this video. I've also experienced that people find it quite difficult to hear you clearly if you are on the phone with the machine running. Try the thicknesser. Lastly, let's see what happens at the table saw. So, in a nutshell, are these worth the money? Considering that I did not pay for these. Maybe. It depends on your situation. It depends on your exchange rate. It depends on your reserves. If it's going to take money off the table, then probably not. If it's going to be something that adds value to your working day, yes, if you can afford it. I'm very happy that I own this pair. Or the third pair for that matter, but they are not as magical as the advertising would like you to believe. They're super comfy, good quality sound, okay audio, battery lasts the whole day, and it is a pleasure to work with these in my workshop. You will need to decide if you are willing to part with $100 and whether or not it will add value to your life. As a full-time woodworker, these have made a difference in my life, and I work with loud machines the whole day long. I thoroughly enjoy them, and if you can afford them, I would recommend them. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.